Feel uninvited.
A big deal for the IEO lovers is here. Bitika BDCC token IEO is ongoing on Windex exchange. And also BDCC is listed on CMC and CoinGecko. If you want to know about the best deal of the week, stay tuned with us. And before moving on, kindly do me a favor and subscribe our channel Expert Studio and also press the bell icon so you are not going to miss any of the major update regarding crypto. Now, what type of deal at this time Bitika digital cryptocurrency BDCC is offering to the traders right now? Today is basically 4th of August, so today is basically the last day of the IEO which is ongoing on the Windex exchange, and you also have the chance to buy this token in only and only 4 USDT. So it is entirely very easy to buy this token directly from the Windex exchange at this time, because the second session of the IEO will start on 18th of August. So right now you have the chance to purchase this token in $4, and in second session basically the price of the one token of BDCC will increase from $4 to 4.5 USDT. So right now this is your time to buy this token. Now the best thing which I am going to share with you is this, that right now this token is available on the CoinMarketCap and the price of 1 BDCC is equal to 7.06, and it is also available on the CoinGecko at this time, and the price of 1 Bitika coin BDCC is equal to $7.69. So it's your time. You can easily purchase this token directly from the Windex exchange, and also the trading of this token is ongoing on multiple exchanges and also in multiple pairs.
Here I come.
The best thing about this token BDCC is this, that right now this token is available on IndoX exchange, and you can easily trade this token directly on IndoX exchange in BSV, EUR, USDT, LTC, Ethereum, and in BTC pair. So it is entirely very easy for you to trade this token directly on the IndoX exchange. And the best part which I am going to tell you, that easily you can make up to 25x if you are going to buy this token directly from the Windex launchpad. First of all, you have to sign up on the main platform of the Windex exchange. Then simply you have to click on the launchpad icon. Here you can see the option BDCC is available in BTC, Ethereum, and also in VD session. So you can easily buy this token directly from the Windex exchange at this time, and easily you can sell this token, because as I am telling you that, for example, if you are going to buy with $100, simply you can make up to 25x very easily. It is entirely very easy for you to buy this token directly from the Windex exchange at this time, and you can even sell this token directly on the IndoX exchange. But from my recommendations about this token is this, that you must have to hold it for some time, so definitely you will get some good profit. So today is the last day, 24 hours are basically left, so it's your time. I will share the link of the IndoX exchange first of all. Secondly, I will share the link of the CoinMarketCap BDCC token, so you can easily check each and everything, especially the website, Explorer, and everything about the BDCC token. And in last but not the least, I will share the link of the launchpad of the Windex, so you can easily purchase this token directly from the Windex exchange. Go friends, this is your time. 24 hours are basically left. First of all, read this project, and if you like this project, go for it. Thanks a lot.